Hi, I'm Keith, founder and general manager of Tuck, and today we'll be reviewing the Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress. Testing the mattress today, we have our lightweight sleeper Rachel, our average weight sleeper Jackson, and our heavyweight sleeper Neil. Setting up the Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress is quite easy. We recommend enlisting a helper, because even though the mattress comes compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unbox and unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Full recovery should happen within the first 5 to 6 hours. The Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress is an 11.5-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is made from cotton and is quilted with a layer of polyfoam. The comfort layers consist of 2 inches of gel-infused Energex foam and 2 inches of Titan Flex foam. The support core is composed of 6 inches of individually pocketed coils with 1 inch of high-density polyfoam beneath. The feel of a mattress is largely determined by its firmness and construction. This tends to be fairly uniform across each mattress type. The Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress has 3 firmness options: soft, medium, and firm. Today, we are looking at the medium option, which comes in at about 5.5 on the firmness scale, while the soft is about 3.5 and the firm is about 7.5. The Brooklyn Bedding Signature is fairly responsive and reasonably bouncy. It also offers close conforming and good pressure relief. Mattress support is defined as spinal alignment. For this test, we will look at how well each of our sleeper spines are kept in alignment when lying on their side. Our testing found the Brooklyn Signature offers very good support across all sleeper weights, though we recommend the firmest option for heavier weight sleepers and those who tend to sleep on their back or stomach. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is important for co-sleepers, so you don't feel your partner's movements across the surface of the bed. We found the Brooklyn Bedding Signature exhibited very good motion isolation thanks to the 4 inches of foam in the comfort layer. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and can leave sleepers with the feeling of roll-off, which is akin to the mattress ejecting the sleeper. Our testing found that the pocketed coil support core mixed with the high-quality foams in the Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress provide very good edge support. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the Brooklyn Bedding Signature offers very good pressure relief across all sleeper types and weights. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Our testing found that the hybrid construction in the Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress allows for great airflow and keeps the mattress cool. Now, let's review how the Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress stacked up in our mattress testing. We have rated this hybrid mattress with very good support and motion isolation. The Signature completes the sweep, earning very good ratings in edge support, pressure relief, and temperature neutrality. Those who prefer an all-foam or traditional memory foam feel in a mattress should look at a different option. We recommend the Brooklyn Bedding Signature for couples and those who like to choose their firmness and like the most bang for their buck. The 3 options really allow you to pick a mattress that works for you, and it's hard to find a bed at this price point with the same quality craftsmanship. For those considering the Brooklyn Bedding Signature Mattress, it comes with a 120-night sleep trial, in which you can safely try the mattress to ensure it's the right fit. Additionally, the mattress ships for free for standard orders and comes with a 10-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck readers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for our review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Visit tuck.com for the full written review and to continue your mattress search. If you'd like a personalized recommendation, comment below and one of our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Sleep well.